snack pack.
You've got your snack pack.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
You have your snack pack.
No, I didn't. You've got it in your hand right there.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
Look at your face.
I didn't eat your snack pack.
There's a snack pack right there.
No, you've got your snack pack right there. And it's in your hand. See? You've got your snack pack right there.
Stuff out.
What?
And you take it out.
Not yet. You have to keep it in there forever, remember?
What did Mom say?
Mom said that you have to wait a little while.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, huh? She's gone. She left for work already.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. She left for work already.
It's not even good.
She's gone. She left. Dude, you got it all over your face.
You're only checking my watch. She's not gone.
She is gone.
You're trying to make me freak out.
She's gone.
You're gone.
No, I'm not. You've got a little some.
Uh-oh.
Snack pack? Is that what you just said?
No. Maybe. Ah. Can I take it out?
What?
Can I take it out?
What?
Can I take it out?
Yes.
Liar? I hate you.
Where are you gonna put it?
This cup.
Why are you putting it in a cup?
Not cup.
Why are you putting it in a cup?
I don't know what's my face or my jaw.
There's still some in there? That doesn't hurt?
No.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What do you mean what am I doing?
You're messing with your face. Yeah,
I'm
like that.
just feeling it. It's numb.
Oh.
You want,
Can you smile?
you want some Kool-Aid?
No, I don't want some Kool-Aid. Can you smile? Is that you trying to smile all the way?